think I have rubrics for just about everything. And a rubric is an outline. You can see the rubric, and it's an outline that shows you how many points I'm giving you for an expectation. So I think for that, I'm giving you 5 points for sharing your introduction and 5 points for your response. I think that's how I broke it down. Obviously, as we have more complicated exercises, the rubrics get more complicated too, but it's a good way for you to see what I'm measuring, what I'm gonna evaluate you by, and whether or not you accomplish it. I'm gonna be a little snarky here. The same student who complained about my lectures moving up and down in tonality, also complained about my rubrics. And he didn't understand why I was being nitpicky about some of the criteria. And this is the reality of things. You can take an art class. Have you ever taken an art class and the instructor just says, it's an A, it's a B, it's a C. You ever have an art instructor like that? I've had art instructors like that. It used to drive me crazy. It comes off as being subjective. It comes off that way. It may not be, but it comes off that way. The rubric is a way for you and I to have an objective conversation about the outcome. And you'll notice that the rubric is not very much about what I like. I try to remove what I like from the outcome. But it's a very objective rubric. It actually is for you. It's in favor of you, not in favor of me. Because if I evaluated it on what I like and you gave me Mickey Mouse, then it's not gonna, no, okay. I would still honor it if it was really well illustrated. My point is that I'm trying to remove my ego from it. Does that make sense, everybody? So I'm not trying to be punitive, but it allows me to measure something that you and I can both say, yes, I did that, or no, I didn't do that. And Nicole? Yeah. And if Nicole did all of them, and she worked really hard to do that, and then I only did like half of it, I shouldn't be rewarded for the same effort that Nicole put in. Does that make sense? Anyway.